In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the latest Anytype update. If you've just updated the app and want a simple walkthrough of the newest basics, this guide will help you get comfortable with the updated layout and core features quickly. Anytype is designed to help you organize information in a flexible way, and this latest version makes it even easier to create and manage your content across devices. To begin, download and open the newest version of Anytype on your computer or phone. Once it launches, take a moment to look around the updated interface. The goal here is simply to get familiar with the new design, where your navigation tools are located, and how the workspace feels compared to older versions. If anything looks different at first, that's completely normal. A quick scan of the screen now will make the next steps much easier. Next, create a new space or open one you already have by clicking the plus icon in the sidebar. Spaces are useful because they give you separate areas to organize different kinds of information. For example, you might keep personal notes in one space and work-related material in another. If you already have a space set up, just open it and continue from there. If not, create a fresh one so you can start exploring the update right away. Once you're inside your space, make a new object by pressing the slash key. This opens a menu where you can choose what kind of content you want to create, such as a page, a task, or a note. This is one of the fastest ways to work in Anytype because it lets you build content without searching through menus. Choose the object type that best matches what you want to capture, then start typing and shaping it however you like. After that, organize your notes using the new set and collection features. These tools help group related pages together automatically, which can save time and keep your workspace much cleaner. This is especially useful if you plan to create a lot of content and want it sorted in a structured way without constant manual organizing. Spend a little time placing similar items together so your information stays easy to browse later. Finally, turn on local sync in your settings to securely connect your devices without relying on the cloud. This allows your information to stay in sync while keeping your setup more private and device-based. Just head into Settings, enable local sync, and follow the prompts to connect your devices properly. And that's all you need to know to get started with the new Anytype update. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tech guides.